everybody, and welcome to Main Squeeze. Today we have a special unboxing for you from Andy at Clueless Homesteaders. They were gracious enough to send us some really great surprises. If you haven't checked out their channel, be sure to go over. They do some really great homesteaders adventures, and they're pretty cool to watch.
Well, Caitlin said it's a surprise. I know what's in this box. So Andy and I discussed some stuff, and he's trying to finance some other projects he's working on. So I offered to buy some of his junk silver and some other stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and cut this thing open. I'm going to try to not battle with this box too much, but if it starts defeating me, I'm going to go ahead and pause it and continue so you don't see me struggle. Alright, so inside we got Christmas wrapping paper. Awesome. Alright, so let's start with this big one. This is why I said I may fast forward this, because I've seen a few other people receive packages from Andy, and well, their knives are a lot sharper than mine.
I got a pair of scissors here.
So I'm going to try these scissors. Okay, so in this first box or package, we have Indian cents and Liberty nickels. This is what I was really excited about. So all of them are circulated, and I'm not going to go through these on camera. I will save you the boredom. But this is the silver. This is what we've been waiting for. Hopefully I don't nick any coins. Oh, I didn't cut enough. Well, if you see, that's a walker right there. Slowly but surely. I'll get this, don't worry. I will not be defeated by duct tape and plastic. Wow, that first one opened up a lot easier. All right, there we go. Looks like a roll of walkers. Some of these are in pretty decent shape. This is 1917. 42. Pretty awesome. 1918. 1928. Another 17.
Don't show these to Jack. He might steal them from you.
Oh, look at that one. That one's in great condition. Another 1918. Another one in decent shape. 1917. Pretty good shape. 1929. Well, $10 in constitutional silver added to the stack. Thanks again, Andy. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave your comments down below.
Have a good night.
Good night.